What's the meaning of Columbia University? Columbia University. Columbia University.
Columbia University. Columbia University. Columbia University is a private Ivy League research university located in New York City. Originally established in 1754 as King's College, the institution was renamed Columbia College in 1784 and eventually became known as Columbia University in 1896. Today, the university comprises 20 schools and affiliates, offering undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs in a wide range of subjects. With a strong tradition of academic excellence and innovation, Columbia University is considered one of the most prestigious universities in the world and attracts students from around the globe.